Horses out, we have La Sombra, fast to begin, moving up on the outside now is Find Happiness, Crossfire in the middle, then followed by Hoy, Tamana, Lim Shoti, and Polar Express, passing before the distant, three runners fighting it out for the lead, Crossfire moving up in the middle by about 3 for Malenka, and in second is Find Happiness, La Sombra in third, Lim Shoti now to take fourth, Polar Express, and Hoy, Tamana. They swing into the back. We have Crossfire, the leader, by about 2 lengths. Find Happiness in second. Lim Shoti now moving up to take third. At 3/4 of Malenka, in fourth, La Sombra, Polar Express, and Hoy Tamana. Crossfire by Aralencarehapa. Find Happiness remains in second. Lim Shoti in third. La Sombra, Polar Express, and Hoy Tamana. And it's still Crossfire by about 2 lengths. Find the Happiness trying to get closer in second. Lim Shoti in third. Polar Express, then followed by La Sombra. Crossfire still in front by Aralenca. Find Happiness is on the outside second. Lim Shoti as they come down at the last 200. Crossfire this time by about 2 lengths. Find Happiness still in second. Moving up Polar Express. Crossfire, Find Happiness is on the outside. But it's still Crossfire, Find Happiness on the outside. Entering the finish line, it's going to be Crossfire, Find Happiness. Then comes Polar Express, Lim Shoti.